Welcome back to TechUnboxPro, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Rocket. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy S17, a smartphone that's redefining what flagship innovation means in 2026. Samsung has once again raised the bar, combining futuristic design, unbeatable performance, and next-level AI integration, all packed into one premium device. Let's start with the design and display, which instantly catch your eye. The Galaxy S17 features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a 2K resolution. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just scrolling through social media, every frame feels incredibly sharp and fluid. The bezels are slimmer than ever, and the front camera sits neatly under the display, giving you a truly immersive full-screen experience. On the back, the titanium glass design feels luxurious in the hand, available in elegant shades like phantom silver, ocean blue, and midnight black. Under the hood, Samsung has equipped the Galaxy S17 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, built on a 3nm architecture. This powerhouse chipset delivers lightning-fast performance, efficient multitasking, and ultra-smooth gameplay. Paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of internal storage, this phone can handle anything you throw at it. From high-end gaming to video editing, the Galaxy S17 is built for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Moving to the camera department, Samsung continues to impress. The Galaxy S17 features a quad camera setup with a 200 megapixels main sensor, a 50 megapixels ultra